Have you ever heard the advice that you should only make decisions from an enlightened space? In other words, maybe a higher vibration or a better mood. I think that is really good advice for our lives because our brains are literally programmed to keep us from ridicule, judgment, and death. So there's a whole lot of life in between all of those fears and all of those things that our brains are trying to keep us safe from. So if we're constantly trying to satisfy those ego thoughts that are activated when we're in a lower vibration, or we're kind of bummed out, or we have a lot of self-doubt, instead of making decisions from a place of self-hatred and lack and ego. Speaking of good mood, I don't know if you can hear it, but people are singing in a car. They're in a happy mood, so they should be making decisions. Where was my thought going here? Just don't listen to your head when you're in feelings of lack and self-doubt, because all of those things are just bullshit. Just bullshit messages keeping you from a higher state of life, from the best parts of life, because the ego doesn't like to be uncomfortable. And growth only happens in places where we are uncomfortable. So it's really important. My face is always itchy when I record. I don't know if it's just like a mindset thing, but anyways, make decisions from an enlightened place and watch your life change.